Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on structuring your dissertation. Whether you're a graduate student or in the midst of your doctoral program, creating a well-structured dissertation can be a daunting task. But fear not, we're here to help. As experts in dissertation editing services, we've gathered valuable insights to guide you through the process step by step. First and foremost, it's essential to create a clear outline for your dissertation. This will serve as a roadmap for your research and writing, ensuring a logical flow of ideas. Next, focus on developing a strong introduction that clearly states your research question and objectives. This sets the tone for the rest of your dissertation and engages your readers from the start. As you move into the body of your dissertation, make sure to organize your chapters in a coherent manner. Each chapter should build upon the previous one, leading to a well-rounded argument. Finally, don't forget the importance of a compelling conclusion. Summarize your findings, restate your thesis, and leave your readers with a lasting impression. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to structuring a dissertation that makes a maximum impact. And remember, we're here to help every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights.